ABC, it's time for another Surface Noise vinyl update. It's late and I'm very tired and I probably shouldn't be making a video right now, but I gotta have some to edit at work tomorrow. So it's just gonna be quick. I'm just gonna show some stuff I picked up in the last month or so. First of all, playing in the background is the new Sword album. And I haven't actually listened to the whole album yet. Side 2 is playing right now. It is a double album. And I have to admit, it's pretty different. Being a big Sword fan, I have all their albums. And I don't quite understand why they went this direction. It's definitely higher production quality, for sure. But if you can hear this, I don't even know what's going on right now. Yeah, anyway, jury's still out on this one. Moving along, apologize if I've already shown this or not. I don't think I have. Maybe I have. I can't remember. Anyway, it deserves to be shown again. Royal Thunder. This is Crooked Doors. Beautiful gatefold. This is a great album. And of course, I think I might put on something else. Playing now in the background is Death Penalty. This is their self-titled debut album. Gaz Jennings is in this band, who is known for Cathedral, and he also plays on the new Lucifer album, which I will talk about in a minute. I picked this up on a whim. I just happened to find it at my local shop, and it is awesome. I really love this album. Awesome female vocals, as several of the albums I'm going to show tonight do have strong female vocals, and that seems to be a trend right now, and I think it's great. It's awesome. An older one by them, I'm not sure if this is, I think they have one other album either in between these or maybe before them, and to be honest, I haven't really given this one much of a chance yet, but gotta dive into this one more. Well, I also got the Sword 7-inch because it was basically free when you bought the full length. Just 2 songs on there. The first single off the album, and then a B-side. Anyway. What else we got? We got On Fire Live, Spitting Fire, Volume 1. This is good. It's only got 7 songs. There is a Volume 2. I'm assuming. I know there's Volume 2. I'm not sure why they just didn't release it as one double LP set. That would have been cooler. And the packaging is kind of skimpy. There's not really anything to it. There's no inner or anything like that. So I mean, it's recorded well, and the playing is good, but it's a little slim. And I finally got Snakes for the Divine, which this may be my favorite Iron Fire album, simply because it was the first one that I ever heard. And it got me into the band. So, awesome album, awesome gatefolds, and I saw them on this tour, so very cool. And as I was talking about female fronted bands, this is Lucifer, this is Joanna Sadonis, who was known for The Oath. Came out a year ago now, their album, and then they promptly broke up shortly after the album was released. And this pretty much picks up where that left off. It's a little more 70s, maybe, a little more occulty, a little heavier at times too. Both great albums, but this definitely has potential to go in some interesting places, I think, and I'm excited to see what this band does next. Great album, debut album. Gaz Jennings is also on this. I believe I already said that. And then some used albums. Raven, the Pack is back. This is an old Canadian metal band from the 80s, which I'm sure you know, but I don't think this is one of their better albums, actually. I haven't had a chance to spin this really yet either, but seems like it's going to be kind of cheesy, which could be good, but... And then recently, for my birthday, I bought myself some records. Some Voivod records, because I am obsessed with Voivod, as you know from watching my last video. So we have Dimension Hatros. Hatros. It's a made-up place, so probably doesn't really matter that much. They pronounce it. There's no L. And this is really cool. This has the original liners with the Voivod story. This is a concept album. Picture of the band there. And lyrics on the other side. Original pressing on Noise International. It's upside down. Very, very awesome. So happy to have these. Paid a few bucks for this and the other one, but you know what? They haven't been reissued. There's no other way really to get them. So you gotta pay a few bucks for them. And for certain records, I'm happy to do that. And then Nothing Face. This is probably my favorite Voivod album. It's just awesome from start to finish. It's got the perfect mix of thrash, speed metal, and progressive metal, and I don't know, they just marry all those genres so well and make it their own. I mean, no band sounds like this band that I've ever heard, and it's just awesome. And this one does not have a liner, and unfortunately the cover is a little ratty there. But as the seller pointed out very wisely, you don't play the cover, so he's got a point. I love this riff. So, and you know, the price was decent on it. So I went for it. Just the label. Anyway, it's a good start to my Voivod collection. I definitely want to eventually get all their albums, but as I said, most of their stuff is only limited run on vinyl, so or it's just so old that you know, there's not a lot kicking around anymore. So slowly but surely, I will slowly but surely I will get more Voivod on vinyl. Anyway, short and sort of sweet. That's gonna do it. Now, I'm gonna go listen to some Death Penalty, and thanks for watching.